Is it true that interfaith couples can't get divorced in India? Or is it just another legal myth floating around? Today, we'll cut through the confusion and uncover the truth about interfaith marriages and divorce laws in India. No legal jargon, just clear, simple facts. Interfaith marriages often spark curiosity and debates. But what happens when such marriages don't work out? Is divorce even an option? Many believe it's a legal nightmare or outright impossible. This video is here to break those myths. We'll explore what the law actually says, discuss the challenges, and arm you with the knowledge you need. Whether you're a student, curious layperson, or someone directly affected, this is your one-stop guide. The myth: divorce is impossible in interfaith marriages? Let's start by tackling the elephant in the room. Is divorce truly off limits for interfaith couples? Here's the truth. The idea that interfaith couples can't divorce is completely false. Indian law explicitly provides for divorce in interfaith marriages, primarily under the Special Marriage Act of 1954 or SMA. Section 27 of the SMA lays down clear grounds for divorce, including cruelty, adultery, desertion, mental illness, and mutual consent. It's as straightforward as a divorce process under any other law. So, where does the confusion come from? Some assume that religious personal laws govern all marriages, but interfaith marriages are mostly outside the scope of personal laws, and the SMA ensures legal protection. In Sarla Mudgal versus Union of India, the Supreme Court emphasized the importance of the SMA for interfaith marriages, ensuring a secular route for both marriage and divorce. Legal pathways for interfaith marriages. Now that we have debunked the myth, let's look at the different legal avenues for interfaith marriages in India. First is the Special Marriage Act of 1954, the go-to law for interfaith couples. It ensures marriage registration without religious conversion and provides a clear divorce mechanism. 2. Religious conversion and personal laws. Some couples choose to convert and marry under the personal law of one spouse. However, this route often complicates divorce proceedings. 3. Foreign Marriages Act of 1969. For interfaith couples where one or both spouses are non-Indian citizens, the Act governs marriage and divorce. The choice of law matters because it determines how the divorce process unfolds. For example, under the SMA, a Hindu-Muslim couple has the same divorce rights as any other SMA registered couple. Did you know that SMA marriages require a 30-day public notice period before they are legally registered? This has often sparked debates about privacy concerns for couples. Challenges in interfaith divorce. While the law is clear, the journey is rarely smooth. Let's explore the hurdles interfaith couples face during divorce. First, social stigma. Interfaith couples often face family and social backlash, which can escalate during divorce proceedings. 2. Confusion over applicable laws. If a couple doesn't marry under the SMA, courts might struggle to decide whether personal laws apply. 3. Custody and maintenance issues. Interfaith couples sometimes face complications in deciding child custody and alimony, as personal laws may have differing provisions. In Shafin Jahan versus Ashok and KN, the Supreme Court reaffirmed an individual's right to choose their spouse even in interfaith contexts, but highlighted the societal and legal hurdles faced by such couples. What to do if you are facing legal challenges? If you or someone you know is facing difficulties in an interfaith marriage or divorce, here's how you can navigate the situation. First, consult a lawyer. Seek advice from a legal expert familiar with interfaith laws and Special Marriage Act. 2. Choose the right framework. Ensure your case is filed under the appropriate act, especially if the marriage was registered under the SMA. 3. File for relief. If societal interference is a problem, approach the court for protection orders. 4. Use mediation services. Courts often encourage mediation to resolve disputes amicably, especially in divorce cases involving children. As a tip, always keep copies of marriage certificates and other legal documents handy. They are essential for filing a divorce petition. Recent legal developments. The legal landscape for interfaith marriages is evolving. Let's look at some recent updates. First, the Supreme Court has recently stressed the need to streamline the SMA to reduce delays and address privacy concerns during the public notice period. 2. In 2023, a Rajasthan High Court ruling emphasized the equal application of custody laws to interfaith couples, setting a new precedent. These updates reflect the judiciary's efforts to make the legal system more accessible and equitable for interfaith couples. Marriage and divorce laws for interfaith couples aren't as complex as they are often made out to be. The key lies in understanding your legal rights and using the correct framework. Let's recap in points. First, divorce is fully allowed in interfaith marriages under the Special Marriage Act. 2. Challenges include social stigma, legal confusion, and custody issues. 3. Seek legal help and file under the SMA for smoother process. 4. Recent rulings are paving the way for more equitable treatment of interfaith couples. If this video clarified your doubts, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more legal insights. Have a question? Drop it in the comments below and we'd love to help you. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.